Hello guys, good morning. This is me, Potato. Today I wanna make a tutorial video how to using Notepad to run our script. Whether that is Python script or you can also use for another script like HTML script. The Notepad you can download from the description link. I will put the link on the description. After you are downloading, you will get an app. This is like a notepad window, usual window, but with plus ability because we can run the script using this apps. Okay, guys, I will show you the after install apps. Wait. Okay, guys, this is the new Notepad file. I was import. No, I was copy paste the script, or let me do this. Let me delete the old document and we can make from the big the begin the beginner. So what I'm doing is we open new window, then we are going to copy the script that I was asking Notepad, or this is also you can do for your own Python script. In this tutorial, I will do the Python script. So we have to save the file in .py. Let me save once again, guys. If you are using a HTML script, you have to put .html in this part. Okay, let's save. And you can see the difference. The script already worked. Okay, next we are going to open Ubuntu. You can also watch my other tutorial how to put Ubuntu under Windows by using SL, WSL, SL. So we are going to open and we have to put the directory where the file of .p exists. So we can copy the directory. This is and I'm running in the Ubuntu terminal. The difference between Windows and Linux is the slice thing. So this is the script to open the directory. Okay, what we do next is we are going to run Python and also the file plot graph.py and to enter. At the moment, we you can see we already have a graphic of sinus and cosinus. This is a simple tutorial how we can run uh, Python script without other additional window. Hope this helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will put on the description the link that you can download the Notepad++. Okay, keep support me by like, comment, share, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial video.